Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge, and as always, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, why don't you go ahead and press that red subscribe button followed by that bell icon. This way you will see our videos first and you will never miss a beat. Today we are going to talk about the A50s. This is by Samsung. This is the upgraded version of the A50. I'm going to show you all the contents inside this box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so that's the smartphone's box in front of us. Pretty usual box. You can see the phone in front. At the back, there are a couple of technical specifications, like an octa-core processor is inside. You've got 6.4 inches of full rectangular touchscreen. You've got a triple rear camera setup, which includes a 48 megapixel primary sensor, and it's got 6 GB of RAM inside. Also, this is a made in India smartphone. So let's go ahead and I'm going to talk about its technical specifications, design, and I'll also show you its camera shots. And as soon as you open it up, you get to see the Samsung Galaxy A50s. And like always, you've got one more cardboard case within the top lid. Let's see what you get here. You get a SIM ejector tool, and I'm hoping to see a clear case as well. Yes, you've got a clear case inside with a quick start guide, warranty information, and a regional lock guide. I'm gonna bring the smartphone out now. Going to turn it on and bring it back in like a minute's time. Next thing you see inside the box are a pair of headphones. So the A series is a slightly more premium smartphone series from Samsung. So you do get a pair of headphones, earphones basically, inside the case. And you get the USB Type-C charging cable also inside here. Plus you get a fast charger within the box as well. This is a super fast charger by Samsung, which you get within the box. So as far as the inside contents of the box go, these are about it. Okay guys, so those were the contents inside the box. Let's go ahead and check out this device. So once you turn on the device, it asks you which apps do you want on your smartphone. So this way you can reduce the bloatware that you do not require on your smartphone. For example, I do not require all these apps. So I'm just going to uncheck them and hit finish. And the smartphone will come to life without those apps. Alright guys, so we've just unboxed the Samsung Galaxy A50s. This is the elder sibling of the A50, and it has been just launched in the Indian market. And right off the bat, the screen is one of the main features of this smartphone that is attracting us to it. Right after the back panel, which has an array of triple rear cameras with a silver band right around them. It is a protruding camera and it has an LED flash under it as well. This is the white color that we see. There are two other colors also available for the A50s. Samsung branding can also be seen here, and it's got a diamond like, cut. It's plain back, but then you do see this diamond kind of a finish that is available on the back panel of the A50s. Somewhat of a VIBGYOR effect is happening on this smartphone. To talk more about its aesthetics and form factor, you get this big AMOLED screen up front which has a notch on top. Underneath, we do see a little bit of chin area which is slightly larger than usual. However, the side bezels have been kept to a minimal. On the right side of the smartphone, you get the power button and the volume rocker keys. So if you look at the left side of this smartphone, you get a dual nano SIM card slot. This is accompanied with a micro SD card slot as well, which can store up to 512 gigs. So you can put all three things together in this smartphone. So memory cards up to 512 GB, are supported on the Galaxy A50s. At the bottom, you get a 3.5mm audio port, a USB Type-C charging port, primary microphone, and a speaker grill. On the top, you get the secondary microphone. So aesthetically, you also get a chrome-plated sideband on it which runs across the smartphone. So overall, the look and feel of the smartphone, it's pretty neat, it's pretty nice, it's not too heavy to hold. It is a well-balanced device, but again, the screen is actually attracting us to it. That was the aesthetics and form factor of the Samsung Galaxy A50s. Now I'm going to talk about the technical specifications. Now Samsung has refreshed the Galaxy A series. They've launched the A10s, the A30s, and the one you see in front of us is the A50s. To talk about its specifications, this one comes with a 6.4-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. Why Infinity U? Because it has a U-shaped notch in front, which has the front camera on it. Inside, you get the Exynos 9611 octa-core chipset. This is the 10nm chipset by Samsung. As far as the RAM is concerned, this one has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Like I said, that is expandable by up to 512GB using a micro SD card. Also, there is one more variant available for this smartphone which has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Now a lot of cool features have been added to this smartphone. But first, let me talk about the rear camera panel. It comes with a 48MP main camera, then has an 8MP ultra wide camera and a 5MP camera that adds depth to the images. Now this is accompanied with super steady video mode. For example, if you are making a video and there are handshakes, this smartphone will reduce them using the super steady video mode. Over that, Samsung has introduced a new night mode to the whole apparatus. The front camera is powered by a 32MP sensor which has an aperture size of 2.0. Other features of the Samsung A50s include Samsung Pay. Yes, this smartphone comes with Samsung Pay because it's got NFC inside. Also, the same feature is available on the A30s as well. Fingerprint reader, game booster, and a 4000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charger is also part of the package. The smartphone is also available in two other colors. The one that you see in front of you is the Prism Crush White. The other colors include the Crush Black and the Crush Violet. If we talk about the operating system of the Samsung Galaxy A50s, then you get an Android 9 Pie on this smartphone right now. This is accompanied with basically a skin is on top of it, which is Samsung One UI. So at the moment, everything is running very smoothly. We can see all the apps are opening up very nicely as well. We'll bring you the whole test, the whole review of this smartphone on gadgetbridge.com. For extra security, Knox is also on board with facial recognition. Now, as for the price, the 6GB variant can be picked up for 24,999 and the 4GB one can be picked up for 22,999. Now let's go ahead and see those camera shots from the rear triple camera setup. Alright guys, if you did like the video, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also go to our Instagram and Twitter pages and follow us there as well. You have a chance to win a giveaway. Also don't forget to tell your friends about it. My name is Sulabh, you're watching Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.